up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Keely, and you're tuned in to Beauty by Keely. So today is going to be a makeup tutorial slash a little chit chat or whatever. As you can see, Morphe, however you want to say it, has came out with their new collab palette with Sour Patch Kids. And as soon as I seen where it was available on their Instagram shop, I had to cop it, you know what I'm saying? And it was actually really fast shipping. So like, I was so excited. Sour Patch Kids is one of my favorite candies. Just one of them. I really like gummy candy, whatever. But so I definitely had to get it. I think it was only like $24.99, $22.49, something like that. Anyway, whatever. So this is the palette. As you can see, it has Morphe or Morphe up there. It has the Sour Patch Kids logo and Sour Patches all over it. And when you open it, it's so pretty. So we are going to see if this palette is pigmented, and Morphe usually comes out with great palettes. I have a lot of theirs already, but we're gonna see if this one holds up to the name Sour Patch Kids. I really like the detail in this palette, because if you can see on some of them, like this one, it actually has the little Sour Patch Kid in there. The blue one does too. And down at the bottom, like, their shimmer shades are so pretty. So today we're actually just gonna wing it, because I really don't know what look I'm going for, besides it's spooky season. So maybe like a Halloween themed look. I actually got some press on nails that's going to inspire this look, and this is what it looked like. Can you see that? Yes, a little pumpkin. So I think I'm going to be using like the orange and the black mainly from this palette to see what it looks like. So we're gonna make it do what it do. But before we get started with the look, have you subscribed to my channel? Oh wait, subscribe, comment down below, and let me see what let me know what kind of content you guys like. It'll really help me out. And make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification button so you don't miss any uploads from me. So yes, I think I'm definitely going to use the color All Gone, which is this black shade right here, and then Orange Craze, which is this orange shade right here. And I think I'm going to do like a smoky eye look, definitely because it is spooky season themed. And I think I'm going with an orange liner, because I just received this palette from Lashes, the Mariposa's Cosmetics Painting with Pride, their water activated liner palette volume 1. So it looks like this, and it is actually a water activated palette, liner palette, and I haven't used it yet. So I think I'm gonna do maybe like a wing liner with that orange. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna go in with is the NYX eyeshadow base, and it's basically in a white, like a white paint pot, because I really want this eyeshadow to pop. So you're just gonna put that on the lid and then blend it out. Yeah, I haven't felt like doing actual makeup on my face in a long time. I've been going through this phase, like the where I just don't want to do makeup. Like, definitely comment below if you went through that phase where you just felt like you didn't want to do anything, because I know a lot of people go through it, but it was bad. Like, I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into that shade and start packing it on first, because like I said, it's gonna be more like a smoky eye look. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the black first and kind of shape it before I go to blending it out. So I like the fact that it's going on very very pigmented. We're gonna get this blending right. I probably should have, I don't know, I like putting down a base before I actually like blend colors or whatever, so I should have put down like a powder, but for the sake of this video I didn't. So now let's go in with that orange craze and place it right on top of that black and start to blend. Going to blend up towards the eyebrow in small circles just to get that good transition going on, and then we're gonna go back in with that black just to make sure that transition in between that orange and that black is smooth, and just reinforce that black a little bit and blend it into that orange and kind of make a good transition. The key to makeup is to blend, blend, blend. Now, there is no right or wrong way to do makeup, but I will say that blending is definitely key. And that's with like your contour, highlight, all that good stuff, concealer, yada yada, eyeshadow. Like, if you just want it to have more of a smoother look, then blending is key. So now that I think I got that blended out pretty well, I have some water in a cap, and the palette, the liner palette actually came with this brush. You can see that. I'm going to go ahead and dip it in the water and then dip it in this orange. Okay. Give me a little something, something there. And give me a little something. I'm going to hope that this turns out well, because I do not really like water activated liners because I tend to hook up with them. So just pray that this goes well. So I think I got a good amount of orange on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to try to create some eyeliner. Okay, okay. It's going on pretty decently. Another thing about water activated liners, they tend to crack, and I don't like that because then it goes and messes up your whole look. They run, like some of them run badly. So then it ends up everywhere, and yeah. Okay. Okay. Alrighty then, we did a little something, something with that. Did a little something, something. Little something, something. The trick with eyeliner is you have to be like Nike and just do it, because if you try to take too much time and think about doing your eyeliner, you're going to freak it up every time. So it's just kind of like you got to believe in yourself and just go. And there's a lot with makeup that you can fix, but when I tell you, when you mess up your eyeliner, it's hard to fix it. Like, you basically just botched your whole look. I don't want to look up too much because I do not want it to transfer onto my lid until it's completely dry. But it seems like this is drying really, really fast. So that's a good sign. Okay, so if you're looking for a good waterliner activated palette, I do recommend this. So definitely go cop one, okay? So I am going to do the rest of my makeup, and I will be back, or the rest of my face makeup, because this video is mainly focusing on this palette, and right now I'm actually loving it. It's coming across very pigmented. There was not a lot of fallout, so I like this a lot. so far. So I will be right back. So I am back with my face done. Oh wait, I forgot to change. Hold on one second. Okay, we are back. So I am basically almost done with the look. The only thing that I'm going to do now is I put some black eyeliner in my waterline, and I'm going to take that same orange craze shade and just smoke out the bottom. So that it'll just blend together right under there, and also blend with that orange. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the only thing that I have ran into with using this palette, and it's probably the base that I use, because I usually prefer to use a concealer as my base, but I wanted to try this NYX eyeshadow base, is that the black is separating just a little bit in my crease, but it's okay. I'm fine with that. It doesn't look too bad. But that's just what I'm noticing. I don't think it's the palette in general. I think it's just the base that I decided to use. But overall, I would definitely give this palette a 10 out of 10 for creativity, for color choices. The shimmers are so pretty. The mattes are very pigmented. Minimal fallout. I'm really, really loving this. I'm definitely going to be using it a lot more. So if you guys love this look and liked this tutorial, then please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications, just because. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.